Hello, I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Hallie Vogel. Dealing with some chilly temperatures for the kickoff to the holiday weekend. Cold enough for a frost advisory to be issued across southeast Michigan, and this is mainly away from cities. The reason for that, we call it an urban heat island, where concrete and buildings seem to retain the heat, so those temperatures stay up a bit in the overnight, and also some high cloudiness may come in. But rural areas, and if you're outside the city, it's probably a good idea to protect those, at least tender vegetation like hanging plants, or if you started your gardening a little early, if you can cover up your plants or bring them indoors is really the best option. But overall, it is going to be a cool holiday weekend. Looking at our futurecast, of course, we stay dry tonight, light winds, and mostly clear skies. A few clouds for tomorrow, but I think a good day of the afternoon, a good part rather, will be sunny. And then we'll continue the dry weather and sunshine into Sunday. We start to see a few changes on Monday. Right now, Memorial Day, we'll just see more clouds. We'll let you know if it needs to be updated for showers late in the day. We'll keep you updated through the weekend. Tonight, temperatures down to around 40. Again, that's for the metro area. Downtown, outlying areas should see temperatures anywhere from the mid to upper 30s. A high in the mid 60s, 65 for a high tomorrow. More sunshine on Sunday. Clouding up a bit on Monday, a chance for showers, even a thunderstorm on Tuesday, and then some heat builds next week. By Wednesday and Thursday, temperatures in the 80s. Well, thank you for clicking on WXYZ.com. Hope you have a great night.